if I could tell customers anything, I would tell them we're doing everything we can. I mean, we're having lots of trouble accessing a lot of our infrastructure, trying to get to the work, but we're working around the clock just like emergency management, and we're doing everything we can to get the lights on to people. This storm is unlike anything I've ever seen. Even when I've traveled out of state on storms, I've never seen anything like this, because and I guess too, because it's my hometown. I see my neighbors and my people and the folks I go to church with, and they're all hurting. I mean, my mom's house is destroyed. It's different because it's home. What keeps me motivated is trying to help those folks that I go to church with, the folks that I see in the grocery store, the folks that I see in the bank, people faces I've looked at all my life they don't have a home, they don't have power, they don't have water. I mean, the community is hurting. I want to do what I can to help. I can't save lives, but I can try to get their lights on.